Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I am filming from the Galaxy S21 Ultra right now, and I'm using the microphone from my phone there. I'm going to be going outside and doing a little bit of low light test with the video camera, and I'm excited to see how this will look. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, I got this on 1.6 zoom wide angle. I'm holding the phone with my hand, and I'm going up our driveway, and here's our snowy driveway. So kind of a very wide angle lens. It is getting toward the end of the day. I'm using the microphone from the phone right here. I got the 1.0 zoom on there. It is the evening hours. All right, I got the 0.6 zoom right now. I'm just walking up the hill, kind of bouncing around a little bit. I'm holding the phone with my hand. Other hand's in my pocket because it's kind of cold out here. Nice day out. On my way to the chicken barn. I like that selfie. Kind of walking around here. Not sure how the stabilization is working. Let's switch here. And now I switched cameras and I did not turn the camera off. Whoa, just about slipped there. Take a look to see who's. Hey, chickies. All right. Better leave them alone. They're getting ready to roost for the night. All right, this is 0.6. This is the wide angle lens. I'm going to see if I can switch lenses while I'm recording here. I can. This is 1.0x. Now I'm going to hit the other little button at 3.0. Got the hills in the background there. And now I'm going to hit the last one at 10.x. 10.0x. Could probably see some shakiness. I'll go back to 1.0. All right, I'm shooting at a wide angle lens right now. You can hear the microwave in the background. This room is only lit from the outside here and from a light right here. From the screen here, it looks like the colors are very beautiful. Now I'm going to change the lens here to 1.0. Get some. It's kind of dark in the corner there, but this is really picking up a lot of nice light. Okay, I do not have the light on in this room. Just the light that's coming from the window here. It's toward the evening. A lot of nice details here. Right now I'm going to switch cameras. Yeah, my selfie camera on. I'm just holding this with my hand. I'm going to kind of stand in front of the window to see how the white from the outside, what kind of craziness might be going on with the camera, and it's really been focusing nice on my face. And kind of move to the side. Alright, now I lost my face because I moved to the side a little bit. See if we can get my... Alright, now it popped back. Alright, I'm going to try that one more time. I'm going to get out of the scene here a little bit. Now it focuses more on the outside, and now kind of just takes a little bit. But I was tricking the camera there, but I think if you're pretty much staying in the center of the camera, I don't think it's going to lose you. Nice. Now my face is just being lit from the outside there. Not too bad. I like that. I just got back inside my car here, and it is getting dark. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive down the driveway, and I'm going to do the selfie right now. Here we go. And I'm holding that with my hand, so it's kind of bouncing a little bit, so you get an idea of what it might look like. I'm going to do a side shot. And that's the bell for no seat belt. Right now I am filming from the selfie side of the camera, and during this whole time I did not change any settings. I was just using whatever was set up on the phone, and I was just kind of testing the different focal lengths with the cameras. And I was pretty impressed in a lot of parts where I would go into a room, it was almost dark, and I was able to capture some light in the phone. So I'm hoping the footage will look good. Hey, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think.
If you didn't see it, that's okay. Then you could post in the comment down below, right?
Yes. And right away, I compared to the Galaxy S20, I am really impressed. I was not impressed at all with the Galaxy S20, but with the Galaxy S21, I really like what I'm seeing on the monitor, on the screen so far. But when I get this compressed in the computer and sent out to you in a MPEG-4 format, I'm curious to see what that's going to look like. Also, I would love it if you would hit subscribe right there. Hit subscribe down.
Is it down there?
Isn't it right there? Here, it could be over there, over there. Hey, also check out our other videos. Lots of cool tips and tricks.
And if you hit the comment down below, then you can go to the other videos.
Yes. And I think that's about all we have to say. Hey, may the force be with you, and I hope you have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.